will talking about naming conventions. Sticking with the Java naming conventions make your programs easy to read and avoids errors. Make sure you choose descriptive names with straightforward meanings for the variables, constants, classes, and methods in your program. As we said before, names are case sensitive. So here the list about the conventions for naming variables, methods, and classes. First, use lowercase for variables and methods. For example, the variable radius and area and the method print. If a name consists of several words, concatenate into one, making the first word lowercase and capitalizing the first letter of each subsequent word. For example, the variable number of students in the first word in lowercase and in the second word in uppercase. This naming style is known as the camel case because the uppercase characters in the name resemble a camel's humps. Second, capitalize the first letter of each word in a class name, for example, the class name compute area and system. Capitalize every letter in a constant and use underscore between words. For example, the constants by and max underscore value. What are the naming conventions for class names, method names, constants, and variables? Which of the following these items, max value, test, read double, can be a constant or a method or a variable or a class according to the Java naming conventions? Don't choose class names that are already used in the Java library. For example, since the system class is defined in Java, you should not name your class system. Another task for you is to translate the following algorithm into Java code. Step 1, declare a double variable named miles with an initial value 100. Step 2, declare double constant named kilometer underscore per underscore mile with value 1.609. Step 3, declare a double variable named kilometers multiply miles and kilometers underscore per underscore mile and assign the result to kilometers. Step 4, display kilometers to the console. What is kilometers after step 4? Now, I will talk about numeric data types and operations. Java has 6 numeric types for integers and floating point numbers with operators. These are the operators. We have in Java numeric types. Every data type has a range of values. The compiler allocates memory space for each variable or constant according to its data type. Java provides 8 primitive data types for numeric values, characters, and Boolean values. This table is listed the 6 numeric data types and their ranges and their storage size. First, we have byte. It's from -2 to the power 7 to 2 to the power 7 minus 1. It's -1 to 8 to 1 to 7. Storage size is 8-bit assigned. It's byte type. Short, -2 to the power 15 to 2 to the power 15 minus 1. Storage size 16-bit assigned. Short type. Integer -2 to the power 31 to 2 to the power 31 minus 1. Storage size 32-bit assigned and its integer type. We have also long from -2 to the power 63 to 2 to the power 63 minus 1. Storage size 64-bit assigned. Long type. And float. Float, there is a negative range and positive range, and the storage size 32-bit, IEEE 754. IEEE 754 is a standard approved by the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers for representing floating point numbers on computers. The standard has been widely adopted. Java uses the 32-bit IEEE 754 for the float type and the 64-bit IEEE 754 for the double type. Float type. This is a float type. And in the end, double, there is negative range and positive range. Storage size is 64-bit IEEE 754, and the type is double type. Java uses 4 types for integers: byte, short, int, and long. Choose the type that is most appropriate for your variable. For example, if you know an integer stored in a variable is within a range of a byte, declare the variable as a byte. Java uses 2 types for floating point numbers: float, and double. The double type is twice as big as float. So the double is known as double precision and float is single precision. Normally, you should use the double type because it's more accurate than the float type.